Where do you want to eat? I don't know, I can't decide. Ugh, I'm such a Gemini. What does that have to do with where we go to lunch? Everything. Geminis are so indecisive. Yeah, okay. I sent you my chart. Did you not look at it? I forgot. See, typical Libra. You know, I knew you were a Libra even before you told me. There's no way. Yeah, it was so obvious. Oh, did you ask your mom what time you were born so I can do your full chart? Oh, yes. 8:23 p.m. Okay, sweet. We can do that later tonight. Oh my god, is this gonna tell me if James is planning on breaking up with me? Because I have been stressed. No, but I can give you a tarot card reading. Have you ever had your cards read before? Yeah, like 3 times a day. What? Yeah, on TikTok, I get like 1 billion of those tarot card videos. It's like and share to claim this, manifest this, whatever. Oh, well, I guess that counts. Okay, ready? Oh my gosh, this is a really good card. I see a lot of money in your future.